Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
Chapter 3, Deductible Contributions. In this chapter, we'll look at the general guidelines for deductible contributions, contributions from which a taxpayer benefits and how that impacts deductibility, as well as out-of-pocket expenses associated with giving services. With certain limitations, a taxpayer can deduct gifts of money or tangible property made to qualified organizations. Remember that the gift must be made without getting or expecting to get anything of value. In addition, a deductible gift must be given to a qualifying organization, never an individual, and cannot be set aside for use by a specific person. Generally speaking, if a taxpayer receives a benefit as a result of making a contribution to a qualified organization, he or she can deduct only the amount of the contribution that is more than the value of the benefit that he or she receives. In other words, if a taxpayer gives a contribution of $100 to a qualifying organization and receives some sort of thank you gift from the organization which is worth $20, then the taxpayer may only consider the charitable contribution to have been in the amount of $80. Let's take a look at review question number 3. Joe's local church is hosting a spaghetti dinner fundraiser. Joe purchases a ticket for $55, for which he knows the fair market value is $20. What is the maximum amount that Joe can claim as a charitable contribution? Is it A, $0, B, $20, C, $35, or D, $55? The answer is C. To calculate the amount of a charitable contribution, subtract the value of the benefit received, which is $20, from the total payment, which is $55, making the maximum eligible deduction $35.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.